Okay, we are out for a nighttime walk. This time it is evening time and it is, well, dark. And we got some lightning going on up here. Yeah.
What's outside?
Yeah, it looks like we're gonna get some rain here anytime. Anyways, we're on the west end of town. The street lights are out, or there's some on, but some of the street lights are on, but they're up farther. So figured we would bring the camera out and kind of show what's going on at nighttime around here. Not a whole lot. There's the CSI, which has been closed for a few hours at least. Well, a couple hours. Street food. Why don't you guys jump in front of me? Why don't you guys jump in front of me? And be careful of the holes in the ground. Let's go up to the water company and kind of like go around the that stadium thing, whatever the hell it is. Kind of just go out for a nice little city walk. Hopefully we can see a little bit. I know it's dark and I apologize in advance. I don't have a light to illuminate the area. So basically y'all are seeing what I'm seeing. Darkness and headlights from motorcycles and vehicles. And lightning. Some of these vendors are open late. I say late, but it's only a little after 7, right? It just feels late. Because ever since the outbreak of this pandemic, well, first off, everything was basically just locked down and closed. I wasn't here for that, but now pretty much everything's open but closed early. Yep. So, at least if I get hit by somebody, I have it all on camera. If the camera survives the hit. Let's hope that doesn't happen. So here's the Alaminos City Water District office. Pay your water bill right there. It's pretty sweet. Everything's walking distance around here. So right now we're just kind of, Cannot hear you, hon.
City Health Office.
City Health Office. Where's that, right there? City Health Office. What do we do there again? Anyways, forget it. Doesn't matter. So basically we just walked off the main drag and we're kind of walking along these little back streets. Really old building here, which I think is really cool. There's still a few of these around. And they're just so So cool, really neat. And here's like the, what is this one? This is like what, community center? Gymnasium. I know it's dark, we can hardly see anything up there, but that's like the bleachers, I believe. Seating area up there, and then the ground floor, or the ground level is the gymnasium part. Little tea stand. 7-Eleven down yonder, down on the right there. So, yeah. Kind of show you this like a basketball court and seating. They hold various events in here. I think they even do the jam. It's not made for you. I think they even did the beauty pageant here, didn't they? Yeah. Yeah, all kinds of stuff. Yep, that is St. Joseph's? Or St. John's, St. Joseph's Church. There's Town Hall, City Hall right over there. Again, it looks like a tennis court. I never even noticed that. Is that a tennis court, really? Why did I never notice that? Huh, oh well. Looks like there's a police department down there. Yeah, it looks a whole lot different at nighttime. St. Joseph's Catholic Church, really pretty. Thunder's starting to, yeah, we better start double timing back to the house. Yep. Just kind of keep an eye on this. Alright. So there we are on the other side of the community center, gymnasium, whatever you want to call it. Basically just went around the block. That's all. Another vendor.
They're selling balut.
Balut. Oh, they're selling balut. So, yep, pretty cool. Cut back down through here, and we're kind of coming in the back way to our residence, our neighborhood. So it's probably gonna get real dark back in here. So I might pause this for a few moments. We'll kind of walk down here around the corner, then I think it gets pretty dark. How you doing down there, Jam?
She didn't poop.
She did not. Well, she's gonna have to. Hopefully, she will. Or she loses out.
She was frightened last night.
Yeah, we were out last night, and the walk ended very abruptly. The dog come running out from someone's driveway and bit her without warning. Just boom, just comes flying out and nipped her. I pretty much wanted to put a beating down on that dog, but oh. She's on a leash, so she's not really in the position to defend herself. being on that leash. So, kind of sucks. Oh, we got, actually there's more lighting back through here than there is out there. So we'll just continue the walk and see what we encounter, if anything. Yeah, you can't see that. There's a big hole in the ground. And these big holes. Look at that. Just walking along, you don't happen to see that, you're gonna be hurting. Anyways. Try to get up in the light here quickly. So you'll be walking along and pretty much out of nowhere there'll be a sorry store. Lights on. Everything quiet. Look at the lightning. Nice. So guys, this is your typical residential neighborhood in the Philippines at nighttime.
So
Quiet.
quiet.
Well, it won't stay that long it won't stay that way for very long. Once we get up here, there's a lot of dogs up in this coming up here soon. Yep. I wish I really had a light so I could see. I gotta buy one. Anyways. I can't get that far in front of
She's following you.
There's a sorry store right there, as I was talking about earlier. Yep. She's a little baby that way. I'm not even going to point the camera to this sorry store. It's closed and it's dark. And there another one coming up on the right here. So looks like a pretty nice one actually. Yeah, pretty cool. Okay. See dead frogs on the road. Walking the dog. Yes. Okay, well, it's starting to rain and it's going to get noisy real quick up here. A lot of dogs, going to be a lot of barking. So, ooh, that's nice. Nice lighting. Anyways, guys, thanks for coming along. It's dark. And we're going to finish this walk up. And that'll be it for the evening. So, thanks for joining us. Take care of yourselves, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye, hon. Bye, hon. Bye, hon. All right. Eden says bye. All right, talk to you later. Thanks. Bye.